Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a quick video. I am actually kind of pre-filming a couple of videos because I am leaving for Italy today. So I have my carry-on bag slash purse all ready to go. So I decided to do a what's in my carry-on bag. I have quite a lot of things, I would say, and honestly this isn't your most practical bag to take with you, especially when you're traveling, but it does fit a lot of things. It's pretty much all that I have to bring, and it's so cute. Like, how can I say no to this? The only thing is that it's really heavy right now, so let me go ahead and bring you guys closer to show you guys what I have in my travel bag. So first off, opening my bag, we have my phone, of course, and this is just something that I use all the time, which is why it's here. So this is pretty self-explanatory. Next, I have some body lotion just in case I get a little dry on the plane. But next, I do have this essentials bag in my bag, and it's just this Ipsy bag that I got a couple of months ago, and I'm just going to show you guys what's inside. So inside, I have my Fenty gloss. I have an inhaler because I did have asthma when I was little, and I'm not sure how the weather is in Italy, so I just bought it just in case I might need it. Some hand sanitizer because you don't know what viruses are in the plane, and I just like to be clean at all times, especially when before I'm eating any food on the plane. I have a lipstick, a chapstick, and this one is just a coconut pineapple one. Some gum because the plane does make my ears pop, so this helps with that. And just another lipstick and some lip therapy Vaseline. Next, I do have some socks just because it does get a little cold inside of the plane, and since I'm going to be in it for 12 long hours, I decided to bring kind of just long socks. Next in here, I do have a couple of snacks. I have a Cocoa Crispy treats as well as some Velveeta snack packs. I know that usually with the food that they give me on the plane, I don't get full. And even if I did, I could always eat this once I get to my destination if it is that I don't get to eat as soon as I get there. Then I have some printouts of my passport and a tour bus ticket just because I'm going to be needing that when I go study abroad in Italy. Next, I don't have a book, but this is a journal that I'm going to be taking with me whenever I travel anywhere. This is my travel journal, and this is really cool actually. I bought it at Forever 21, and it has different tabs for each trip that you take, and you can track up to 6 trips. It basically just gives you a kind of research page, what things to do, itinerary, and some what I did, and just kind of reflections on your trip. I also did do my budget on here, and I did make a video all about my Italy budget. I plan on taking this on the plane just to keep myself busy and plan out my whole 5-week stay in Italy. Then next, I have a couple of things. This is just a Betsy Johnson bag, and in here I usually keep all of my documents. So I have my green card, I have my passport right here. I also have my older passport just in case, and I put like kind of my flight tickets in there once I get them. And I also have a pen in here just to fill out any forms that I may need to fill out when I get to my destination. Then next I have a scrunchie. I have some sunglasses. I have a couple under eye gels just to do on the plane. I also have this small little planner that I bought at Marshall's. It starts in July, which is the month that I'm going to be going to Italy and studying abroad. So I wanted to go ahead and just get this in order to just put like my homework assignments and just to keep throughout the year. Next, I have my vlogging camera. This is the Sony a5100. And this is just what I use to vlog. I will be vlogging in Italy, by the way, and it's going to be on my vlogging channel, which is Romina Vlogs. I'm going to try to vlog daily there, but I'm not sure how that's all going to work out, but just stay tuned if you would like to see any vlogs. I also have my small tripod, my Manfrotto tripod for my vlogging camera. Next, I have some tissues, a comb for my hair, my wallet. Then I have this bag kind of where I keep my essentials for my electronics. I did buy those on Amazon. I'll try to link things that I bought on Amazon or just anywhere online. So what I basically have in here are my vlogging camera charger, my phone charger, my Apple Watch charger, some headphones. Then I have two portable chargers just because I'm extra. This one has a little bit more juice than this one does, just because I don't want to be stuck somewhere without a charge. This has been really handy for me, as well as these little twist ties right here. I love them. Next, this big old thing right here, I have my laptop, just because, like I said, I'm going to be filming vlogs, so I need my laptop in order to edit them. And last but not least, I have this pouch right here, and this pouch carries my chargeable batteries for my vlogging camera, as well as the charger. I have my wireless Beats in here with the charger. I have two of these adapters that I'm going to be using for Italy, which have kind of like the plug-in right here, as well as USB ports. So I have two of those in there. I have my laptop charger in there, as well as a mouse. That's basically all that I have inside of my carry-on bag. As you guys can see, it's very spacious and it does carry a bunch of things. So that is why I also really like it, as well as the fact that it's so super cute. I also did buy this on Amazon. If you guys are interested, this bag is from a brand called Hot Chocolate Design. And that's pretty much it for this video. I'm sorry that you guys didn't get to see my face. I'm just not ready at all, because I'm just trying to get everything ready for my Italy trip and just have everything put together. And that does not include myself. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to do different traveling videos for you guys, just because that's what I'm doing at the moment. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.